Alright, so my name is Paris King and I'm here with Rayanne. And we're here talking about domestic violence. Rayanne, what can you tell me about the Pixel Project?
The Pixel Project is a organization that begins in Malaysia with a young lady who has amassed a worldwide volunteer group. So she's got people all over the world that's getting the word out about domestic violence, how to stop it, how to keep the conversation moving.
Okay, so how is it that she actually gets it out and gets people aware?
I found them through Twitter, actually. I just happened to see a tweet come across and I just retweeted it, and then I happened to see a lot of them on a daily basis and started retweeting all of them, and then shortly thereafter they asked me to become an ambassador for them on the Twitter, and I did, and then I met the founder on Facebook and she asked me to be an actual physical ambassador going around Alaska and most of the United States.
Excellent. So you're working locally then? What is it that you're doing locally?
Locally, I'm raising funds right now for Awake.
Okay.
Is what I'm doing, and I am getting the conversation out. We just won a van for Awake on social media, so what I did was I just blitzed everybody for like 30 days with don't forget your day, don't forget the day, don't forget the day, we're going to have to, vote on this day, and we did win the van to move the families.
Right on, very good.
That's awesome.
I'm very happy to hear that. So I have a question as far as, working with the women. So you do work with the women and give them resources.
We do.
To get away from an abusive spouse. Okay, so is there anything that you do with the abuser? Is there any kind of rehabilitation program for them?
Well, normally with the abuser, and I've spoken with a couple of people who write domestic violence orders or restraining orders, is that they end up going to jail, or we end up getting them help, or they end up getting themselves help with anger management.
Okay.
Because the point is they have no control over their anger. All they have is just no power.
Okay, awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time, Rayanne.
You're welcome.
Well, my name is Paris and you're watching EOTM.